Engineering Management, Design Criteria for Upstream Oil and Gas Plants. I want to share with you my experiences within the oil and gas industry, particularly in engineering management for upstream projects. Over the years, I've seen how critical the front-end engineering and design phase is in shaping the success of these projects. Whether working on a greenfield site with a clean slate or navigating the constraints of a brownfield upgrade, the design criteria and project management strategies play a vital role in ensuring efficiency, safety, and cost effectiveness. Let me guide you through the essentials of FEED engineering, the distinctions between project types, key deliverables, and the importance of effective project management. FEED engineering for oil and gas projects. FEED engineering is where the foundation of a project is laid. It's the conceptual design phase that bridges initial feasibility studies and detailed engineering, defining the project's scope, budget, and schedule. During my career, I've seen how this phase can make or break a project, depending on the attention to detail and coordination among teams. FEED engineers work closely with process engineers to develop the process flow diagram, PFD, and determine equipment sizing. Their collaboration with mechanical engineers is equally critical for creating efficient plant layouts and piping systems. One of the most important lessons I've learned is that the success of FEED depends on effective teamwork. FEED engineers need to engage with electrical, civil, and instrumentation teams to ensure seamless integration of utilities, structures, and controls. Brownfield versus I've had the opportunity to work on both Greenfield and Brownfield projects, and I can tell you that while each has its challenges, they also offer unique opportunities for creative problem solving. Brownfield projects are built on existing sites and typically involve upgrades, modifications, or expansions. These projects often leverage existing infrastructure, which can save costs and time. However, they come with constraints like limited space and the need to minimize disruption to ongoing operations. Greenfield projects are built on entirely new sites, giving engineers a clean slate to design from scratch. While Greenfield projects offer more flexibility in design, they are usually more complex, requiring extensive planning for permitting, infrastructure development, and regulatory compliance. FEED engineering deliverables. The deliverables from the FEED phase are the backbone of any oil and gas project. They guide every subsequent phase, from procurement to construction and operation. Process flow diagrams, PFDs, outline the overall process, showing inputs, outputs, and the equipment involved. In my experience, a well-prepared PFD eliminates confusion and streamlines the transition to detailed design. Accurate equipment sizing during FEED is critical to meeting process demands without over-designing, which can lead to unnecessary costs. This step often requires close collaboration between process and mechanical engineers. A good plant layout not only ensures safety and operational efficiency, but also facilitates easy maintenance. I've learned that involving construction teams early in layout discussions can prevent costly redesigns later. FEED deliverables are the foundation for creating realistic budgets and timelines. These documents provide the clarity needed for stakeholders to make informed decisions. I've seen how clear and detailed FEED deliverables can simplify the bidding process and contract negotiations, reducing ambiguity and fostering trust between contractors and project owners. Project management for FEED engineering. In my experience, effective project management is the glue that holds everything together during the FEED phase. It's not just about staying on budget and schedule, it's about ensuring that every aspect of the design aligns with the project's goals. I've worked on projects where strict budget oversight during FEED saved millions during execution. Ensuring that design choices align with financial constraints is a critical skill for any project manager. A well-managed schedule keeps all disciplines on track, preventing delays that could ripple through the project. I've found that regular progress reviews with all teams are essential to maintaining momentum. Deliverables must meet high-quality standards to avoid rework and ensure safety. From my perspective, this requires a robust review process involving discipline leads and external audits. One thing I've learned is that clear communication can make all the difference. As a project manager, I've had to ensure that everyone, engineers, contractors, and clients, is aligned on objectives and expectations. Value to engineers and stakeholders. By understanding the design criteria and management strategies for upstream oil and gas plants, you can significantly enhance your contributions to these projects. Here's what you'll gain: a clear understanding of FEED engineering and how this phase sets the foundation for project success. Insight into the unique challenges and opportunities presented by Brownfield and Greenfield projects and how to approach them effectively. Knowledge of the critical documents and specifications produced during the FEED phase, including PFDs, equipment specifications, and layouts which guide budgets, schedules, and construction. An appreciation for effective project management, balancing technical, financial, and stakeholder needs to drive projects to successful completion. Drawing from my experiences, I can confidently say that mastering these skills and strategies is essential for engineers and managers in the oil and gas industry. By doing so, you'll not only contribute to successful projects, but also grow as a professional in one of the most challenging and rewarding industries.